welcome to Building with Bud. We've got the wall from Hull to repair. I think we'll end up taking this one down. I've built out of that old rubbish clay lump. Look at that. How do you repair that? You can't, man. Look. It's full of donkey hair and horse hair and old straw bits. It's 30 metres long. And we've got to sort it out, see what we can do with it. Oh yes. Oh yes. What sort of wood? Ply. Yeah, what that stuff? I'll go and get a load. Suitable tree protection has been given. Regulation to British standard. So we're now exposing this bottom of this wall, and the idea was that we'd take it down to this plinth and then we rebuild it. But we got down to the edge with typical old places. That's all leaning. Someone above our sort of pay grade's got no call what we're actually got to do to it. This end's not too bad, but as you can go there, you can see that big tree over the years, is the roots and lifted it up. This old lime is dry as hell at the top of it. It's probably been here 170 years, something like that. Got an ounce of cement in it, look. Brilliant, really, how that wall works. There's no damp crossing the wall. That's where that big tree was pushing it over. Wouldn't like to think how many years it's been down here. They didn't dig us in, it's just old boys on bits of metal and bits of wood digging out. All for a few halfpennies a day, a week. Hey, a ball of air, boy. Old boy's been going out to crack of dawn this morning, getting our footing in. Little hop ups there, little step ups, put the steel in this. Got bricks everywhere. This is called a wheelbarrow, and that moves stuff from A to B.
This is called a bad bag?
Yeah.
That also comes with the wheelbarrow?
After 40 years that's completely destroyed, but just so you youngsters do that, is that you put stuff in that. I'll show you in a minute. We're now going to demonstrate. So you'll now demonstrate how the barrow is used. You fill it up, then you manoeuvre it. Look at that. He's lifting it physically. And he's now got, there's a tip of the mechanism called his arm, and there we have it. That is a wheelbarrow. And we're doing us empty.
It's great, like hospital doing on half
Yeah. You can see we're putting rebar in here. There's no expense spared on a project like this. I'll go and do my mixer doing it now.
If you're going to buy, I'll make sure you get the imperial one.
Yes, yes, yes.
Not the metric one.
No, right. So you can see we got a jump there.
I'll now stick that behind that one.
You've now got to use the concrete movers pull to get the concrete in the thing. Take many years to get this technique. Here we go. Wallop. That's in, boy. Look at that. Look. Come on. Now getting ready for some line action. They've got to raise up. Marked out on the concrete. Here we go. Let's get it on. Go. Very nice and clean my trolleys for our man Mr. Dog. Aiko. Okay, we're getting the corners up. When I got to crash them in, I just got to point this bit up, then I'll get on into the man. With old boys Bricklaying freestyle. Oh. Get combo in my hand. This is old boy freestyle, Norfolk style this is.
Yeah. Norfolk bond this is called.
Norfolk bond, that's it.
Let's put light ones and leave it. Put light ones and leave it.
Where did you learn that one in there? They were Norfolk bonding.
Oh, off of the master.
Oh yeah.
Von Crab.
Von Crab,
The
yeah.
German bricklayer.
The Von Crab of out in the sticks, yeah.
Von Crab of Rockland.
Yeah.
The Von Crabs of Rockland.
This is our Norfolk 3-course barn boy. There we go. Look, that's in. Get that in there. Lovely. I'll rock it like this now, we?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, not old chip would make me using up like 2 boards of muck and a go go boy. Nah.
He'd say you're from somewhere. He would. I can't be over, he would.
Oh no, he's a nasty bit of work, that one. Baby. Oh, Mr. Paddle Dog. Right, we got to point these ones at me this side. Yeah. We can get away the first 2, do you think?
You what?
Think we get away the first 2 course we can cover up?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. I'll do the top cross joints on the second course just in case. Yeah. Old Paddle don't like me tapping the bricks either.
Really?
No. He get the right hump.
Well, you use his eye, do you?
Yeah. He reckon they've been doing it 50. He reckon they've been doing it 51 years. And I'll make it snappy.
Yeah. over.
What's that?
And he threw you under the bus of the couch.
Well, it could be, couldn't it? It's something.
His name, Bob.
I'll Mick's showing his hand there, but he's nasty. He don't sit in that old chair for no reason.
You know, he's in the front.
Yeah.